Wednesday, December 17th at 9:30, Able Auctions is hosting a construction equipment auction. We got a great majority of construction equipment here from a company just getting rid of some overstock. Lots of lifting straps, hoses, fire extinguishers. We got toolboxes, surveying equipment, hand tools, power tools, construction tarps, vacuums, gloves, electric lawnmowers, nice big tamper there. We got some job boxes coming up, transmission jack. Let's go around to this side. Lots of pipe stands, rigid, good quality. Nice big chop saw there. Milwaukee tri-stand. We got generators, water pumps, lots of chain hoists. If you need a chain hoist, this is the auction to go to. Got bench grinders, some yard equipment, another nice little water pump right there. Got lots of job site heaters, fans, Dynaglow heaters, more assorted sized Greenlee job boxes. It's all coming up for live public auction on December 17th. The preview is going to be Tuesday, December 16th from 10 to 4. We got a little bit of grow equipment also coming up, so watch for that. Some DeWalt tools, nice little portable compressor, a couple of toolboxes, lots of these Milwaukee chop saws, looking great shape. This Hilti DD160 coring drill, that looks brand new. I don't even think anybody's used that. Bits for it. Another water pump, power distribution, dollies, stands, rigging equipment. So make sure you go to ableauctions.ca to check everything out. Register, get ready to bid. Come down on the Tuesday, December 16th for the preview. Check out what we have and get yourself a great deal on lots of high quality construction equipment. Hope to see you all there.